Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove items from cart on Meesho. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Meesho application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how exactly can you download the Meesho app? You can get Meesho on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and look at the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Meesho and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, the application is going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Meesho. So now we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text. And that is how to remove items from cart on Meesho. So let's say you added a product to cart. I'm going to show you how to add a product to cart. I'm going to show you how to remove it as well. So let's say this is a product, kids clothing. And I click on that and I clicked on the product that I want to buy, but I don't want to buy now. I just want to add to cart. So add to cart is saving for later. So let's say I chose this, and at the bottom left corner you see the add to cart button, and you click on add to cart. After clicking on add to cart, head over to your home page and then head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see the cart icon right there. I'm sorry, it's a lilac or purple. The purple icon that is close to the heart icon. After the heart icon, the other icon is cart. So the heart icon is wish list, and then the other icon is cart. So go ahead and click on the cart icon. Now this cart icon is going to be open because I haven't signed in. Okay, so I'm restricted from signing in, but let's say you have signed in successfully and you click on the cart. Now once you click on the cart icon, it's going to take you to a window where you have all the products that you added to cart. Now on any of your products, on any product, just right below the product, you're going to find the X icon. You're going to see X and you're going to see remove. So you see X icon and you see remove. So go ahead and click on that remove. And once you click on remove, no hassle, that product is going to remove from your cart. So once you click on that remove, just confirm that you want to remove it from cart. And after confirming, it's going to be removed from your cart. So that's pretty much the process. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.